How to create Capital One online account. To create your very own Capital One online account, open up a browser and search for Capital One. Select the option Capital One Credit Card Checking, Savings and Auto Loans. When you tap on it, you'll be directed to the official webpage of your Capital One. To create your Capital One online account, just tap on Set up Online Access. Now in here, you need to enter your last name, your SSN or TIN, then your date of birth and select on Get Started. If not, tap on Use Bank Account Number. Now instead of your SSN, enter your bank account number and select on Get Started. By this way, you'll be able to create your Capital One online account easily. It is a quick and easy process. However, if you need any help and assistance, you can check out the help and support of your Capital One. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.